Andre, slow down.
The mother's attempts to defuse the situation failed, while the man's stubbornness only escalated the crisis.
Andre! I didn't do that! Chill out, bro! Fuck on me!
On 4/8/2025, officers initiated a traffic stop for a headlight violation, encountering an uncooperative driver who became verbally abusive and resisted commands. Despite attempts to de-escalate, Andre physically resisted arrest, requiring officers to use controlled force to detain him.
What's up, man? Officer Physical, please, can you release your registration?
What's up? Come on, calm
down, man.
No. What am I getting pulled over for? You
got a headlight out.
You lit a headlight?
Yeah.
Where? Which one?
This one right out here.
All right. My dad's a state police officer, Mike Griffin.
All right, calm down, man. Everything's okay.
Cause, man, I'm on business, man. And y'all just
on business?
Me,
where you heading?
I'm overeating.
Okay, calm down, man. As fast as we get this over with, faster we get you back on the road.
Thanks, bro.
Relax, man. It was good.
I gotta get a new ID, whatever. My ID still. I lost my new ID. Everything else.
All right, man. We'll just check you out. All right. Should have you out of here in no time.
Do me a favor, man. Just step out of the car.
For what?
I'm asking you to step out of the car.
You got probable cause?
I don't need probable cause to ask you to step out of the vehicle. No, I don't.
This is a traffic stop. This is a traffic stop.
It's called Pennsylvania v. Mims. It's case law. You can step out of the vehicle right now.
I'm a Jersey. I don't have to step out of the vehicle. Let me talk to your supervisor. I'm about to call my dad because he's a state police officer.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
So I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
I don't have to.
Okay.
I know my rights.
You do.
No,
you don't know your rights.
No, I don't. I have my rights.
Okay.
I have my rights.
No problem. You want to speak with a supervisor?
Yep. Yes,
no
I
problem.
do. Yes,
okay.
I do.
Yeah, I can get him for you.
Okay.
No problem.
All right. You've been here all day.
1-7 special. Yeah, no problem. You got time too, man.
I know my
So
rights.
serious.
This is a traffic stop. It's not a criminal stop. You can't
Yeah,
get me out the car.
Yeah,
it's not a
so
criminal
it's called
stop.
Pennsylvania v. Mims.
Okay, but I'm a Jersey resident. It says 142 Hudson Avenue.
It's federal case law.
Okay,
So.
we're gonna see.
Okay.
We're gonna see. Y'all bored. Slow day, right?
I don't know why you're so mad, man.
Hey, mom. Hey, mom. I'm over here working, right? These cops is harassing me, right? He's saying that I gotta get out the car for a busted tail light, which I don't.
Headlight.
For a busted headlight, which I don't, which is a traffic stop. And I told him my dad is a state police officer, and they harassing me. He's telling me to get out the car. I don't gotta get out the car. Huh? These Hamilton cops. Huh? Exactly. It's a traffic stop, Mom. I told him bring his supervisor. I ain't getting out the car. It's a traffic stop. It's not a criminal stop. And he's gonna try to say, "Oh, I read your plates. It says Pennsylvania. I'm a Jersey."
I didn't read your plates.
I'm a Jersey resident. You didn't read my plates, so why I gotta get out the car?
If you would calm down for a minute, I would explain to you.
It's not a criminal stop. Why
I don't know
do I have
why
to
you're
get out the
still
car?
yelling.
Because you're harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
Yeah, you
I
are.
stopped you for a headlight being
Then give me a
out.
ticket for my headlight. I don't gotta get out my car.
Well, kind of do.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I know the law, bro.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You don't even
Mom,
know next to anything, man. You thought I read your plate.
I'm at the fast track, Mom. They surrounding me. That's right around the corner from the house. That's right around the corner from the house by the quick check. Yep. Thank you. Wrong one.
What'd you do?
Go fuck with somebody else that really got weapons and drugs. Go do that. How about y'all do something about that? Stop fucking with a regular black person. Fuck out of here, man. I know the law. You ain't gonna sit here and trick me with that shit. My dad's a state police officer. You think I don't know the law, nigga?
That's the case. It's just a little bit.
Okay, well, get your supervisor. Get your supervisor. You can't get me out the car for no traffic stop. It's not a criminal stop. It's a tail light.
State of New Jersey for anyone out the car.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
Not even just New Jersey.
No, you can't.
All right, we're not going to argue about it anymore.
Okay.
We're not going to hold court in the street.
Well,
Do you have insurance?
Well, we're gonna wait. Yes, I do. I just gave him insurance.
No, you don't.
You gave me both registration.
Here you go. There you go. There you go.
This one's
There
expired.
you go. Yep, there you go. No. Waste somebody else's time. They actually got guns and weapons and drugs. I'm clean, baby. That's why I'm talking shit. Because I know I'm clean. I don't got shit in here. Fuck out of here.
Can you just relax?
No, I can say whatever I want.
You can say whatever you want.
Yep, damn right. I'm exercising my rights. My constitutional rights. You can't pull me. You can't tell me to get out the car for the fucking traffic stop. That's against the law.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. You're a rookie. I can tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a rookie.
Then you're
you're a rookie.
Been here for about a year.
You see that? You rookie. You a rookie, boy. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I got family that's detectives, bro.
I don't care.
I got family that's detectives,
I literally
bro.
cannot care in the least.
You're gonna be working desk duty fucking with me.
It's very cute that you said that. He's
You
good.
never gonna tell like fucking to you, right?
Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Where?
Look it up. It's in the system. You can just
Okay.
look my driver's license.
Well,
number
where's
up.
the copy
It's
of
in
it?
the
Where's the copy of it?
I lost it.
Okay.
Did you lose the temporary copy or like the actual
No, the
license?
actual copy. I lost it. That's why I got my.
I don't know what
expired.
that is. You can hang on to that.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna go back this way.
Based on Andre's behavior and actions, the officer asked him if he could get out of the car. Andre returned angry and uncooperative, asserting that he knew his rights and would not leave the vehicle until the supervisor arrived.
Stop for a headlight.
The supervisor arrived at the scene.
How many people in the car?
Just one.
Just some?
Yep.
And he doesn't want to come on?
Doesn't want to step out. He said his dad's a cop, so
Dad's a cop?
that's what he says. He said he knows the law and that he doesn't need to step out of the vehicle. So I don't want to really make it too hard on him. It's just a motor vehicle summons, so.
How you doing? Sergeant Davis, Hamilton Police.
How you doing?
What's the issue?
The issue is he pulled me over for a tail light, right?
Headlight.
For a headlight, right?
Okay.
And then he's gonna try to tell me to get out of the car, which is only a traffic stop. I don't have to get out of the car if it ain't a traffic stop.
You're required
It
to
ain't-
get out of the car when you're asked to get out of the car.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. That's against the law, bro. That's against the law.
You
bro.
sure that's against the law?
It's not a traffic.
Are you
yes.
sure it's against the law?
Yes.
You're positive
Yes.
about that?
Yes.
Well, you're wrong.
Yes. How can you?
You
how can
are
you,
required to step out of the car.
When am I required to step out of the car?
I'm not going to argue with you. When you're asked to step out of the car
Just step back, please.
by a police officer,
Step
you're
back,
supposed to step
please.
out of the car. It doesn't matter.
How
It
do I
doesn't
gotta
matter.
step out the car for a traffic stop if all my paperwork
It's
is
a
legit?
traffic stop.
All my paperwork is legit.
It doesn't matter. You can you're still required to step out of the car. You're required to step out of the car.
Tell me to step
Hold on. Brian, excuse me. Andre, step out of the car, please.
What? It's not a.
Show her. She's okay.
Please.
Come here. Look at my face. Look at my face.
I know.
Come here.
Man, y'all don't got shit to do, bro.
Okay.
Y'all don't got shit to do.
Stop touching!
Stop touching!
He touching me! He fucking touching me! I didn't do that! Get your hands off! Get your fucking hands off! Get your fucking hands off! Don't touch me! I hate you! Fucking don't touch me! Chill out, bro! Get the fuck off! Get the fuck off! Andre! Fuck off, man! Get the fuck off!
Andre, please stop.
No, fucking arrest me! I ain't do shit! I'm just trying to work! And you break that post on me! I fucking hate him, man!
Andre, so what? Calm down. Andre, calm
Fuck
down.
off me, man!
Andre, I'm asking you. Andre, I'm
You wanna do
asking
this to me?
you. Andre, I'm asking you to calm down.
Fucking hate y'all niggas, man! I'm
Andre,
fucking bored!
Move some hands here.
Fucking hate y'all!
Andre, calm down.
I ain't do shit!
Andre, stop it.
Fuck y'all!
You did now because you're
Fuck y'all, I didn't do nothing!
You're not calm.
It's a slow day, that's why!
Andre,
Y'all got shit to do!
bro, chill, dog.
Hey, fuck you!
Andre, stop it.
Andre, let's get you up in here.
Andre,
I know y'all was lame in high school!
Andre, this is Matt. You know who Matt is?
I don't know the fuck that is!
That's
Who?
Richie's nephew.
Where?
Right here.
Andre,
You don't
Andre,
grew
calm
up
down.
with him.
Oh yeah, I do remember him.
All right, calm down.
Come on, let me get your stuff. Get your stuff.
Right here. Calm down, Dre.
Andre, is it cool if your mom takes the car?
Yes, I'll take the call.
Andre, listen to me. Listen. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt?
No!
Listen to me.
I'm just trying to make some money, man.
Okay,
Y'all
all right,
harassing
all right,
me, man.
all right. Listen. It's going to be quick, all right?
Andre, I want you to calm down.
Fucking bullshit, mommy. You know it is.
No, bullshit is what you're acting. Now calm down.
You let them put their hands on me,
No,
man.
you let them put their hands
I didn't do shit. I didn't touch him.
Calm down. That
Yes,
is
sir.
the problem.
Think because he got a badge, he can just put his hands on me, man.
Calm
The
down.
fuck about that? Don't let no grown man put their hands on me like that. I ain't put my hands on you, bro. Bitch ass, man. You a bitch. You a bitch, bro.
Andre, shut up.
Give a fuck,
Shut
man.
up, Dre.
Relax, man. It's all right. It's all over now. It's all over.
fucking bored, man. Y'all just be bored.
Andre!
You don't got shit to do, man.
Andre, shut it up!
Always fucking with black people.
Oh, really?
Shirley, come on, come talk to you. I'm gonna afford you an opportunity to talk. Stop him for the headlight.
Okay.
I asked him to step out of the car just so I can talk to him real quick outside
Yeah.
the car because he was like tweaking out in the car, freaking out in the car.
What the fuck is wrong?
So I asked him to step out. I asked the sergeant to come over.
Yeah.
Per his request,
Yeah.
and he's refused to step out of the car.
I don't
He's
know
got to step out
what
of
the
the car.
problem is.
So, unfortunately,
You're fucking, you're having a bad day or something? I mean, what the hell, Dre?
unfortunately, we're here now.
I know. I understand. I understand.
He's gonna be charged for resisting
I understand.
and for obstruction.
For
It's
what?
just for resisting and obstructing
Yeah.
because he didn't follow orders.
Okay.
Hopefully, we can get him out on summons. He doesn't have any warrants or anything.
No.
So we'll turn the car over to you if that's.
Yeah.
I think he's okay with that, right?
Did you drive out here?
Huh?
Did you drive out here?
Yeah.
Does he normally act like that? Or?
No, he must. He must be. I don't know what the hell said. I don't know what set him off, but he know. I don't know.
We'll get
Yeah,
him
well,
summons out.
I'm just-
We'll get him on his way. And if we can get him summons out, Charlene. If we can get him summons out, I'll try to get you called and come pick him up. All right?
Can I say something, to him, please?
I think
Is that okay?
let's just try to keep him confident right the time being.
That's
You wouldn't
fine.
mind?
That's what I wanna try and do right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Andre, you cool if your mom takes the car?
Dre, I want you to calm down, okay? No, shut up. Shut it. No, shut it up. Shut it up. Shut it up right now. You need to calm down. This is your problem. This is your problem. You're your worst enemy. I'm not out here for wasting my time, but I am wasting my time because you didn't even realize who you grew up with. You didn't even realize who watched you grow up.
He didn't know who I was.
Yes, he did.
He act like he didn't know who
Oh,
I
wait a
was.
minute. Wait a minute. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Your attitude. Your attitude.
Harassing
No.
me.
That's what you're not going to do. Yes, you are going to get pulled over for a light. I get pulled
No,
over
but
for a light.
I don't gotta get out the car.
Stop it.
I don't gotta get out the car.
Stop it. Stop it. Who are you talking
No, I
to?
don't wanna talk to you no more. You on that
And
side.
I want you to
You
calm
on that
down.
side.
I want you to calm.
You're not
okay.
talking to me.
Okay.
You on my side.
Okay.
I don't want to
All
talk
right.
to you no more.
I'm taking your car home.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Andre, listen, man. We're gonna get you inside.
I got shit to say to you, man.
I know you don't have anything to say to me.
Let's get this over. I don't got shit to say to you.
Okay. I just want to make sure this is gonna be
You don't got nothing to talk about.
smooth as possible.
It's gonna be smooth. You don't got nothing to talk about.
Okay.
Just falling apart this way.
So let's sit right on the bench right there. I gotta take the cuffs off. Stand up.
I get my phone.
Can you stand up?
It's my fucking time.
Just turn this way. Alright. Do me a favor, you can have a seat.
Andre was transported to Hamilton Police Headquarters for booking. While there, the officer fingerprinted and photographed Andre. Andre was then charged with resisting arrest and obstructing the administration of law, as well as a traffic violation related to headlight maintenance. At the end of the process, Andre was served 2 copies of the complaint and vehicle summons before being released.